Hi, this is Dr. Marty Becker, and this is my daughter, Mikkel Becker-Shannon. We're reporting from the Global Pet Expo. I tell you, as a veterinarian, I'm seeing my share of fat cats. And fat cats might be funny in cartoons, but in real life, they're like little tubby time bombs ticking away their health. Increased risk of diabetes, heart disease, joint disease, even an increased risk of cancer. So how do you get those fat cats to move? We've got a great new product here called the Frolic Cat Sway. See these two little hockey pucks that are magnets right here? They simply clamp together like on a counter like this. You can get your cat to play. McKellen, why is it important for your cats to play?
Well, this is a really cool tool for you to interact with your cat. So not only can you be moving it yourself, but your cat can also have it to do when they're by themselves. It's a really neat way to really enrich your cat's life. So here's our cat, a little bit of a homely cat, kind of stray, not much hair, but really likes the toy, so it's perfect.
One of the things about cats is they love to climb. Why do they like to climb? Cats have a weird ecological niche. They're both prey and predator. So you want to climb up something tall to get up. If you're a prey animal, you want to escape danger. If you're a predator animal, you're up high and you can look down and see where things are to eat. You don't want cats climbing on your drapes. You don't want cats climbing on your armoire. I love this cat furniture, and I'll tell you why. It's built extra sturdy, and it's made in the USA. USA, USA. Almost all the cat furniture is made overseas, and this is one of about a half a dozen companies that made in the United States out of good old American pine. Look at the size that's inside that pole right there. Put together with screws, wood screws, no glue in this. This is a great product to get your cat off the floor, up in the air, exercising, lounging in the sun, looking out the window at those birds. We love this product. USA, USA, USA. Hey, I tell you what, you probably thought that was the homeliest fish you've ever seen in a fish tank. I actually have the Fluval Edge tank in my own house. What do I like about this product? Comes in 3 colors. Comes in black, comes in pewter, comes in copper. First of all, it is so stylish. You notice the Edge name is because you see no plastic trim around the edge. Take this little ventilated top on. There's your lighting source. It's nice and bright. An incredible filtration system that will handle a lot of fish for a very small tank. This is something we're always trying to get kids more interested in pets than TV. There's proven studies from Alan Beck out of Purdue University about how the fact that fish help lower our blood pressure and other health benefits from fish. What a great addition to a home or an office, the Fluval Edge Aquarium.